Hi dear students, good evening. So today we are going to see about problems based on periodic table. So we are going to discuss periodic problems, problems from periodic table. So up to last class we have discussed periodic trends. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about problems. So we'll see that. See the first one, the IP1 ionization potential 1, first MCQ. The IP1 comma IP2 comma IP3 and IP4 of an element or just they have given the ionization potential values 7.1, 14.3, 34.5, 46.8, 162.2 electron volt respectively. Okay, the element is likely to be, answers option A sodium, B Si, and C fluorine, and D calcium. So that element, they are asking the element should be. So what is that element they are asking us? So what they are asking, ionization potential of the element, ionization potential of element they have given. So among that elements, which is that element is having ionization potential. See, what is mean by ionization potential? The amount of energy required to remove the electron from its valence shell. So the amount of energy required to remove the electron from its valence shell. So here, then if you have taken, so the amount of energy required to used for first electron, that is ionization energy 1. For second electron, ionization energy 2. Third electron, ionization energy 3. So then here how many ionization potential energy is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then which means there are 4 valence electrons in an atom. அப்ப அது particular atomல 4 valence electrons இருக்கு. So then which element? So calcium we know that it is having 2 valence electron. So which is having fluorine is having 7 valence electron. So sodium is having only 1 valence electron. அப்ப வந்து பார்த்தா அப்படினா silicon only it is having actually 4 valence electron. What is silicon atomic number? 14. Then electronic configuration, just I am writing the orbit electronic configuration, 2, 8, 4. Then 4 electrons. So the answer is silicon. So for 4 electron nala, so ionization energy is 4. So 4 ionization energy will be coming. So then the values they have given for us. So then answer is silicon. Simple MCQ. We'll see next one. Next one more. Please take down. Next one. In which case the energy released minimum? In which case the energy released is minimum. Please note it. Options they have given. Option A, Cl gives Cl minus, then B, P, 2P minus, then C, N2, N minus, then D, C2, C minus. So here they are asking that in which case, what is that? In which case the energy released is minimum. So எல்லாத்துலயும் வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா எந்த கேஸ்ல வந்து energy released minimum they are asking us. So which one will come here? So suppose chlorine if you have taken. Chlorine actually when energy will be released, then we are adding electron in valence shell. Electron affinity. Am I right or not? Electron affinity. Yesterday we have, last class I have discussed. I have explained what is meant by electron affinity. So what is mean by electron affinity? So the amount of energy required to, amount of energy released from an atom while we are adding electron in valence shell. Okay, so then here if you are taking chlorine to Cl minus, chlorine is having what is that, more electron, what is that, more electron affinity. So it will be releasing more electron, more energy. Okay, then here if you have taken that Cl to Cl minus, C to C minus, carbon also is having what is that, more Cl, more electron affinity. Okay, so இதுக்கும் எப்படி இருக்கும், எனர்ஜி ரிலீசிங் அதிகமா இருக்கும், எலக்ட்ரான் அஃபினிட்டி. ஓகேவா, which means எலக்ட்ரான் கெயின் என்தால்பி எப்படி இருக்கும், அதிகமா இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா, so P to P minus, N to N minus, so then answer must be C or D. So we have to decide here electron affinity now. So nitrogen and phosphorus both are same group. So when it is coming on same group, so we know that these two are exception. Okay, so down the group actually what will be happening, electron affinity will be decreasing, but here there is exception. So there is a small in size. Okay, due to small in size, actually what will be happening, nitrogenக்கும் பாஸ்பரஸும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது எலக்ட்ரான் அஃபினிட்டிக்கு எதுக்கு அதிகமா இருக்கும் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பாஸ்பரஸ்க்கு தான். ஏன் சார் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, so same example, ditto example, we know that exception case fluorine and chlorine, due to small in atomic size, so small atomic size னால வால்யூம் எப்படி இருக்கும், அதிகமா இருக்கும். சைஸ் சின்னதா இருக்கும்போது வால்யூம், அட்டாமிக் வால்யூம் will be higher. So then electron repulsion will be, inter-electronic repulsion will be very high in the nitrogen. Small atomic size, ஓகேவா, so electron density அதிகமா இருக்கும், inter-electronic repulsion அதிகமா இருக்கும். So then it is difficult to add the electron with the, what is that, nitrogen. So that nitrogen is having less electron affinity, then what is that, the liberation of energy will be minimum. Please, so answer is C. Okay, so that reason is very important. Okay, answer number note பண்றது, it's not a thing. Okay, so why it is coming, that reason is very important. Please note it. Okay, every reasons are very important. Please note it. Next one, the electron affinity values. Third one, take it. The electron affinity values, the electron affinity values, the electron affinity values for the halogens shows trend. Option A, F greater than Cl, lesser than Cl, then Cl is greater than Br greater than iodine. Then option B, fluorine lesser than Cl, fluorine lesser than Br lesser than iodine. Then C, fluorine is, what is that, greater than Cl greater than Br greater than, what is that, iodine. Then option D I am writing here, just I rub this. Please take it that if you, I am giving the time, please note it. Take the question and then you find the answer. D is, what is that, option D, F lesser than Cl greater than Br lesser than iodine. So within this three option, what is the answer they are asking? See, what is the question? The electron affinity values. Okay, values spelling VALUES. Okay, so the electron affinity values for halogens shows trend. Okay, they are asking the, what is that, which is electron affinity down the group. Halogens la enna pannirukanga, down the group vandu they are asking the correct order. Okay, what is the down trend? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is halogens, right? So then here already we know that electron affinity only they are asking now. So fluorine, it is small in size, exception we have seen. Okay, so fluorine small in size, so due to small in size, inter-electronic, what is that, electron density is higher. So electron density, due to higher in electron density, inter-electronic repulsion will be higher, then it is having, what is that, low electron affinity. Low electron affinity. So then what is that? Chlorine is having more electron affinity. Then fluorine is having less electron affinity than the chlorine. But as I told you, in a trend actually, when you are coming down the group, as usual, what will happen? Generally, electron affinity will be decreasing along the group. Then, so this is answer. Fluorine is having less electron affinity than the chlorine, but chlorine is having more electron affinity than the, what is that? Bromine. Where is the option like here? But here it is not, because bromine is having more ionization energy, electron affinity than the iodine. So then option A is the answer. Please note it. Please note it here. Then next one. Please note it. Next one, the process requiring the absorption of energy. The process requiring the absorption of energy. Absorption of energy is option A, F2, F minus. Then B, Cl2, Cl minus. Then C, O2, O2 minus. Then D, H2, H minus. So listen this options. Option C paranga. First F2, F minus. So what is the process? What is the question? The process requiring absorption of energy. Process requiring absorption of energy. Absorption means endothermic. Endothermic process. So F2 F minus, fluorine fluorine is changing to F2 F minus means it is gaining the first ionization energy. First electron affinity, first electron gain enthalpy. So no need to absorb the energy. So it is exothermic process. Exogenic. Exogenic process. Exothermic. Cl2 Cl minus, no problem. First electron affinity, addition of first electron only. First electron enna pannirkom, chlorine la add pannirkom. Adanaல Cl minus add பண்ணுது. So no need to absorb the energy, it will lose the energy. So same as it is here, H2 H minus, here also no problem, we added the one electron, so first electron. But here if you have seen, oxygen, when we are adding the first electron, it will becoming O minus. O minus. Then we are coming to add a second electron in a O minus, but we need actually, what is that? Energy. So when we are adding the, what is that? We have to supply the energy. We have to supply energy. Energy we have to supply. So then only it will become O2 minus. So then here, so in this process only, what is that? Absorption of energy will be taking place, because we know that interelectronic repulsion அதிகமா இருக்கும். O minus la oxygen la add பண்றது, it's not a thing. Then easily we can add. So then that is exothermic. But when you are coming to add the electron in the O minus, it is endothermic, because it is electron rich species. Electron rich species nala, what is that? O minus interelectronic repulsion will be very higher. Then it is difficult. So that's why here we have to supply the energy to add this electron with the oxygen. Then O2 minus will take place, absorption of energy. This is another one. So we'll go to next MCQ. Next MCQ, please take down. Next MCQ, please take it. The X bond X bond length. X bond X molecule, X2 molecule. Bond length is bond length. Just I'm writing. What is that? In short way, bond length is, what is that? 1.00 angstrom. Then CC bond length is 1.54 angstrom, 1.54 angstrom. Yeah, if electronegativities of X and C, yeah, X and C electronegativities of X and C is actually 3, 2 respectively, then CX bond length is likely to be, yeah, CX bond length they are asking, yeah, CX bond length they are asking. So CX oda bond length kekranga. So we know the formula actually. Okay, what is the formula? Okay, D CX bond length. Okay, D the distance between. Okay, so distance between what is that? Carbon nucleus and the X nucleus. Okay, X it is nothing, halogens, maybe any halogen, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, bromine, whatever it is. Okay, so then that bond length they are asking. Then distance, bond length of CX bond equal to, yeah, radius of C plus radius of X minus what will be coming 0.09 and modulus of delta, what will be coming CX. Okay, CX. Okay, what does DCX means? Okay, this is difference, electronegativity difference between carbon and X. Okay, delta. This is the formula. Okay, so this formula we have studied, okay, while I am teaching electronegativities. Okay, so yesterday I have, atomic radius. Okay, atomic radius nadakumbodhu just I taught this. Okay, please go through that topic. Formula is very important. Then radius of carbon inga irukku, bond length of carbon kuduthirukanga. ஓகேவா, சோ பாண்ட் லென்த் ஆஃப் சிசி பாண்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப பாண்ட் லென்த் ஆஃப் சிசி பாண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படினா 1.54. ஓகே, பாண்ட் லென்த்ல பாதி தான் அது ரேடியஸ், அட்டாமிக் ரேடியஸ் ஆஃப் கார்பன். ஓகேவா, சோ பிளஸ் then what is that CX bond or they have given radius of X, bond length of X they have given, so that is 1/2. Okay, half of the bond length is called, what is that, atomic radius. Okay, minus 0.09 delta X. Okay, what is the difference between electronegativities of, okay, C and X. Okay, so இது ரெண்டையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படினா what will be coming 1, then into 1. So if you simplify this, you will be getting the answer actually 1.18 angstrom. Please note it this. Okay, so this is a one length of, what is that, CX bond. Okay, this is the answer for bond length of CX bond. Okay, bond length of CX bond. Please note it, bond length of CX bond. Okay, so next one, please take down the correct order of electronegativities. The correct order of electronegativity of nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon and silicon. Okay, the correct, please note it, the correct order of electronegativity. Please note it. The correct order of electronegativities of nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon and silicon. They are asking correct order. Options if you have taken, option A, N lesser than phosphorus, P lesser than C lesser than Si. Option B, N lesser than C, N greater than C, C greater than Si greater than phosphorus. Then C, N equal to P greater than C equal to Si. Then D equal to N greater than C greater than phosphorus greater than Si. Okay, so they are asking the correct order of electronegativity. The correct electronegativity order they are asking among these 4 atoms. Okay, just we'll see electronegativities now. So electronegativities, just I am taking these first these two, nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen and phosphorus, if you have taken, both are same group. So when you are coming down the group, what will happen? Electronegativity actually it will be decreasing. Electronegativity it will be decreasing. Why? Because size is increasing. When the when you are coming down the group, electronegativity will be decreasing. Okay va, electronegativity என்ன ஆகும், decrease ஆகும். Size yesterday I told you, small size of atom will have more electronegativity. அப்ப nitrogen phosphorus பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா phosphorus will have, nitrogen will have small in size. Nitrogen is small in size, then nitrogen will have more electronegativity. அப்ப nitrogen ஓட phosphorus எப்படி இருக்கும், கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும். So then carbon and silicon both are same group. Okay va, 4A group na. So then carbon and silicon atomic size, when you are comparing, carbon will have actually less atomic size, then carbon will have more what is that, electron affinity. Okay va, then if you are comparing this two, okay va, comparing these two, okay, which will have a more electron affinity, what will be coming, which one will come then, answer. Okay va, so nitrogen, what is answer then, answer actually, what is answer, oh yeah, fourth one is coming, because when you are comparing these two, okay va, so nitrogen phosphorus carbon compare பண்ணும்போது, okay, carbon ஓட atomic size ரொம்ப சின்னது, அப்ப phosphorus ஓட carbon க்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், electron affinity அதிகம். Okay va, so then this is the order. Okay va, so nitrogen having more electron affinity, okay va, then carbon, then phosphorus, then silicon. Good, this is the answer, please note it. Okay va, please note it. Electron affinity compare பண்ணும்போது, okay va, please keep in your mind, with small size of atom, more electron affinity. Okay va, that one point if you have in your mind, easily you can find the answer. Okay va, please note it this. So we'll go to next one. Please note it, next MCQ. Please note it. The maximum energy will be released. The maximum energy will be released. The maximum energy will be released in the following process. Okay, the maximum energy will be released in the following process. Okay, what is that? Okay, so just two actions I'll give you. See guys, for preparing NEET and JEE, okay, daily you have to practice the MCQ. Okay, if you are not keep on practicing MCQ, okay, so you can't crack the exam. Okay, so if you are strong in the concept, then first you have to become strong in concept. After you have to practice the MCQ, then only you can crack the exam. Okay, so it's very important. Without practicing MCQ, really you can't do the JEE or NEET. Okay, so for that, at least daily you have to practice 20 to 25 MCQs. You have to practice daily. Then only you can crack the exam. Okay, so please do the MCQs. Okay, so please note it. Next one, the maximum energy, maximum amount of energy. The maximum energy will be released in the following process. Option A. Okay, option A, what is that? B, boron. Okay, B, it is gaining, boron is gaining 1 electron, so becoming B minus. Then option C, option B, C gaining 1 electron, then it's becoming C minus. After B, C, N, it's gaining 1 electron, then it's becoming N minus. After that, option D, same question I think it is coming out. You'll see that O plus gaining 1 electron minus. Appa in the four process la, which will give out more amount of energy, Okay, listen. So here 4 actions. What they are asking, maximum amount of energy, when the amount of energy, when that atom will release the energy, when we are adding electron. What is that process? Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Electron affinity, what will happen? Okay, along the group it will be decreasing, along the period it will be increasing. So when you இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா எலிமெண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படினா ஆப்ஷன் A என்னது boron, then option C carbon, option C என்னது nitrogen, option D oxygen. So then here everything it is present in the same period. Up a same period if you have taken, okay, so then what is meaning? Period, along the period electron affinity will be increasing. What is happening? Electron affinity will be increasing. Okay, oxygen is having more electron affinity. So then oxygen only, when you are gaining the electron, it will lose more energy. please note it. Okay, please note it this. Okay, next one. Next option. Which of the following represents? Okay, which of the following represents a correct sequence of electronegativity values? Which of the following represents a correct sequence of electronegativity values? So please note it. Which of these following represents a correct sequence of electronegativity values? Okay, option A, F greater than N, N greater than O, O greater than C. Then B, F greater than N, N greater than, sorry, N lesser than O, O greater than C. Then D, C, F greater than N greater than C, C lesser than O, sorry, lesser than O. Then D, F greater than N, N lesser than O, O lesser than C. So correct sequence of, so what is that? Electronegativity they are asking. So see, idhili pathinga appadina 4 element mein same period. So electronegativity along the period, what will happen? So it will be increasing. Okay, it will be increasing. Okay, what is mean by electron affinity? Sorry, electronegativity. It is what is that? That tendency of an atom attract shared electrons. Tendency of an atom attract shared electrons from bonded molecule or bonded molecule. Yes. So here if you have taken, so fluorine, definitely what will happen? Fluorine will have, because fluorine is the smallest atom when you are comparing other elements. Okay, then fluorine will have, what is that? More electron affinity. Okay, electronegativity. So next nitrogen is there, oxygen is there, carbon is there. Okay, so இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா டெஃபினட்டா எப்படி இருக்கும்? கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா atomic size of carbon when you are comparing with these three higher, கண்டிப்பா இதோட சைஸ் அதிகமா இருக்கிறதுனால எலக்ட்ரோநெகட்டிவிட்டி கம்மியா இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? சைஸ் அதிகமானா எலக்ட்ரோநெகட்டிவிட்டி என்ன ஆகும்? கம்மியா இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? So then when you are comparing these two, கண்டிப்பா என்ன ஆகும்? இது அதிகம். So when you are comparing these two, what is, okay, which will have more electronegativity? So அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நைட்ரஜன் எலக்ட்ரானிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன், what is that? 1s2 2s2, ஓகேவா? 2s2 1s2 2s2 2p3, ஓகேவா? For oxygen 1s2 2s2 2p4, ஓகேவா? So இங்க நம்ம பார்க்கும்போது பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இது ரெண்டு பார்க்கும்போது, so here that outermost shell is coming, ஓகேவா? outermost shell is coming here, ஓகேவா? So இது ரெண்டுக்கும் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா what is that meaning? So oxygen electronegativity பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா it will be higher than the fluorine nitrogen. ஏன் அப்படின்னா nitrogen it will not gain the electron. Size actually is different, ஓகேவா? சைஸ் ஒரு ரீசன் இருக்கு. சைஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது ரெண்டுக்கும் சிம்பிளா சைஸ் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணாவே முடிஞ்சிடும், ஓகேவா? சைஸ் வந்து ஆக்சிஜன் கம்மி தான், ஓகேவா? தென் ஆக்சிஜன் will have more electron affinity, ஓகேவா? So then answer is B. So guys, like this, okay, we will be discussing more MCQs on this chapter, okay, in upcoming classes. Okay, please keep on practice the MCQs in your books. Okay, so what book you are following? Okay, so do that. Okay, keep so follow my notes also. Okay, so if you have any doubts, okay, post the doubts in your what mail ID I have given in the description. So post your doubts, I will be clarifying. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see next class.